Kenya Kwanza administration is keen to make it possible to have air transport across the country, to make it easy for people to do business, to open up tourism opportunities, and to enable Kenyans move faster and save time so that they can use that time for other productive issues in the economy. So I want to say, Skyward, Hongera, this is the way to go. We ask you to partner with the government and open up more routes. And the president has instructed the CS, Murkomen, that at the end of our term, we shall have opened commercial flights to every county or the neighboring counties across Kenya to make it easier for Kenyans to do business. This maiden flight to Kakamega is very nostalgic to me. Many years ago, I was a district officer in Navaholo division in Kakamega, near Mumias, and my family was living in Nairobi, and it took me 6 hours to drive to Kakamega, and I would arrive there very tired, and I waste a lot of time on the road, and I can just imagine how nice it is now to have any business in Kakamega, in Bungoma, in Mumias, and the surrounding areas. So this is very good, and Captain Mohammed, we want to urge you to partner with the government and open up more routes across the country so that Kenyans can travel with ease. What is happening today and what will follow shortly is a clear indication that air transport is no longer a luxury for the chosen few. Air transport in this country is now a necessity to ease the cost of doing business, to ease travel, to make it convenient for people. And I have just looked at the rates to Kakamega, and I was just doing quick mathematics. It is actually cheaper, monetary-wise, to fly to Kakamega and back than to drive, without now costing the time that you save, more than 12 hours to and fro. So this is very good, and I want to urge the people of Western Kenya to make use of this facility, to make sure that this airline grows, so that we don't just have one daily flight, we have many flights, because there are many opportunities in Western Kenya. We have the rainforest in Kakamega, we have other historical sites that people can go and see. There's a lot of business in Mumea Sugar, there is a lot of business in Bungoma, and we want people to use this facility to be able to ease the cost of doing business and to make